The recipe today is a very delicious carrot cake with chocolate topping. Here's the list of ingredients that we're gonna need to prepare this cake. 250 grams of carrot, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 eggs, 2.5 cups of flour, half cup of oil, and 2 cups of sugar. Add the eggs and also the oil to the blender. We're gonna blend it together with the carrot. Add the flour, the sugar, and the baking powder in a bowl and mix them together. After, add the blended eggs, oil, and carrots into the bowl as well. Prepare a greased pan and pour the mixture into the pan. To prepare the chocolate topping, you need 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of milk. Combine all the ingredients into a saucepan and take it to the oven at a medium-high temperature. Stir it until it boils and gets thicker, and don't stop stirring. Once the cake is baked and ready, remove it from the oven, let it stand for some minutes. You may want to cover it with a cloth. And before putting the topping, pierce the cake with a little toothpick so that the topping can penetrate the cake and let it moist. Let it stand for some more minutes for the topping to cool down, and voila, the cake is ready. Bon appetit!